I have a confession to make. Is it obvious?
Bryson is inside our unfinished shop. It's built with cinder block, Quonset hut roofing, and continuous onion sacks called earth bags. Family is arriving for a bagging day, so we need to clear the work area.
Welcome to ADHD Heaven.
If you're new here, this is my brother Bryson. He is the resident MacGyver.
Heaven, where we have about 100 different projects happening. The idea is to try to condense this normalness so we can start working on the shop again, because we need to access all of these walls across here. And we can't do that if we have project number 100 over there and project number 99 over there.
Good plan. Let's do it.
We need to go through the code pile over there and go. Trash.
I have to tell you, it's a proud mama moment. He doesn't really like his binky. He's not the biggest Bink fan. I know he's got it in there wrong, but he will put it in right. He likes the binky when it's his idea. He's a typical guy.
Well, usually when you start a project, you usually don't want to start using that project until it's done. Otherwise, it kind of remains undone.
Unfortunately, we need the shop, so we don't really have a choice.
Got these pallet cells set up so we can start storing stuff.
But it does mean that we have to keep moving things around as we're building, because those things don't have a home yet because we're not done building. At least we have a solution.
We do have a solution. Kick all the stuff out on the curb and finish the building.
My brother and sister-in-law, Garen, Ellie, and their girls come over to help with the nearly 20-foot walls. We're excited to have them here.
So cute, because Garen had given me a call and him and Ellie had been talking, and they say, hey, we want to come over and help you bag. So it was very fun to have them over. It's always great, of course, to see the grandkids. And one of the cutest things that happens is when the girls arrive, they're just so into Jasper. They just swarm around him. It's so cute to see them all together. The height of the walls adds to the complexity of bagging. So the first thing we have to do is discuss how we're going to work together as a team. Bring this in and we'll have one team filling buckets and stacking here and going up down this side. That was Ellie's idea.
It's genius.
Yeah. The scaffolding will go to about midway up and stop.
Don't we have 2 layers of scaffolding? So
We don't.
Sorry, Garen.
You need extra scaffolding. Remember all that scaffolding we were using? I borrowed that from the neighbors. I kind of forgot about it, I'll be honest with you, and then I remembered and I felt kind of bad. I went, oh my gosh, I get this back to the neighbor. Thank you very much, neighbor. Brought it back after all this time. We need it. I'm not borrowing it again. We're just gonna deal with it.
Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4.
I think so. Oh, is everyone out?
Oh, yes.
Okay, yep. So all of the little nieces look on while we raise up into the air and get to our work area, which is pretty exciting.
Yeah, they were very fascinated by the lift, as we all are. So I heard that it's the only way that you become cool is get a scissor lift. So
oh, is that the word going around the street?
it's what I've heard. It's what I've heard. The reason we're up there is I need to drill into the block wall and attach a block of wood to the block wall so we can attach a cleat, which will attach the bags.
Tie it all in together.
Bob's drunk.
Yep. Yeah. Nicely done. Good job, Jared.
That's all she wrote.
What?
Nothing.
Okay.
You thought I don't know what you thought, but
Okay. While Jared's working on this, the rest of the family heads out to get the dirt we need to start building some bags.
let's do it.
I can take him, Ellie. Oh my. baby tarantula.
Oh, look, Maddie.
It's a baby tarantula. Look at that.
Hey.
Oh.
So we try our first idea, which is to load up white buckets of dirt onto the scissor lift. The challenge is going to be like, how much can the scissor lift actually lift? Let's see if it can lift all of us up. Drew's coming up too. Ready? Yeah. Here we go.
Aww. Okay.
We're tapped out. The girls, they want to ride up there too, which is just really brave of them. I was so tickled to see them want to be so involved.
Good job, guys.
You guys want to see how far up you are though before we go down? Can you see out? I can see.
That one's all
Get way up there.
all the motors in there.
Hi, but I don't have a bag.
Oh no!
You're up all on that.
Nicely done!
Coming down? You're gonna stay up?
I don't know. You think it'll go up? We got some extra weight now.
It's time to get serious. We're bringing in the big guns to get some more dirt. The skid steer.
Sweet!
Unbelievable. Who parked this thing here? They're fired.
Thinking on this. This could be a midway point using hand buckets. Yeah, it could be.
Yeah, easily, we easily could hand.
Won't be able to run.
Conundrum is the scaffolding is only so high, and we want to run another team because there's a lot of hands here today, and this is the only scaffolding we have right now. That would work.
Go on top of Jared's shoulder. But somebody could sit on the wall, and that'd be easy to pass.
Yeah.
Just have the skid steer with the bucket right here so you
We
can.
really thought we could get 2 teams going. Without the extra scaffolding, the thing is so high, we ended up just playing monkey in the middle and pass it up and down, and it took pretty much all of us to do that. So we ended up just working just on that one side.
What you guys up to? You playing on the tractor and stuff? It's like a sea of buckets. Look at this, it's so genius. Jared dumps it here like what you saw. It fills up these buckets, and then they take it over there, lift it up, and then it goes up from there, so that we have this continuous flow of full buckets, which is just super awesome, and it keeps the scooping away.
Scooping is for loser.
It's necessary sometimes, but if we can avoid it, it definitely saves on the back. Real quick, before we get back to the show, we want to let you know we have 20% off of everything over there on our merch store now through June 30th.
The merch is like shirts, hats, plushy things, cups, mugs, you name it. A lot of
stickers.
Stickers, yeah.
Yeah, we got all
A lot of
kinds of stuff
accessories
over there.
and a ton of different designs. Bree has worked for years on all kinds of different artwork. These are like the only shirts I wear. I actually am running low on them. I realize
we're gonna have to buy more.
I'm gonna have to shop our own shop here soon.
Yeah. The link to our shop will be down in the description. We want to give a special thank you to our Patreon and local supporters. You help keep us financially grooving around here. And then also, just if you like, comment, share this video or other videos that we do. Now we got a lot of social medias out there. You can tag us. I want to say thank you so much for taking the time to do that. We sure appreciate you. You help get these videos rolling out into the world. Thanks so much for listening. Let's get back to the show.
Well, we can't get through a day without a little brotherly teasing.
We'll figure it out.
Just re-push the button that you want, like.
I know we're letting him figure it out, Ma. Don't tell him.
Just push, you know, either forward or up. There's
What is going on here? 0. Oh, that just selects one. Okay. Just like that.
Actually, go back a little. Okay, now. Okay, go forward. Go forward. Okay, stop. Go back a little. 1 second. Mom. That's actually good, Garen. Oh, you've broken it now. Just gonna ignore the warning, aren't you? Okay, hang on.
You're telling me you without checking the proper safety procedures?
Hang on.
Yeah, Bryson set the jump up.
Set the jump up?
Yeah, I did it.
No.
On the ramp.
All right, if you're up there, we'll hand you dirt. Or do Heist.
Okay.
Are you ready to play? First you gotta see what your cousins are up to. Look over here, Jazzy.
Jazz over here.
Look at this.
Jazz is not the biggest fan of water.
We are hoping to get together with Jasper's adorable cousins so that they can show him the watery ropes because they love water.
They do.
We got the swimsuit on him and chucked him out there. See how he does.
They're all going to hang out with you while you play.
Wow, you ready? You wanna get in?
Look how much fun they're having.
Having a lot of fun. Not so fun.
What do you think?
What do you think? At first, he was a little bit hesitant. He's like, Mom, what are you doing? Because believe me, I have tried. But he was watching the little girls and how they were splashing, and you could just see his wheels turning. I don't know about sitting in the water. You don't want to go down. His legs are like stiff.
Whoa.
And he's like,
Oh, this is how you have fun.
this is fun. We can do fun stuff here. So he kind of warms up as we go, which is pretty
Yeah.
cute.
Let's go. Time to get to stepping out the door. Spread those wings, cause we wanna see more, do more, be more. Looking real cute, but we feeling hardcore.
We're happy to report that Jasper is now a fan of swimming. He's gotten in the water many, many times since then, and he splashes, he does all the stuff. Thank you so much, girlies, for showing Jasper how fun the water can be. It's changed his life. Because you know what you're doing now, right?
He does.
You know what you're doing, Jazz.
Hey, guys, get up. We bouncing right now. Good times, our love is about to go down. Lights on to the first and the light. Beep, beep, hitting every green light. Come on, baby, hop inside. It's gonna be a long ride. Yeah, places to go, we got things to do. We got plenty to see, so we breezing through. They see how we move, we wanna try it out. It's a good time, baby, yeah, we having a ball. Feeling good, feeling great, feeling brand new. Trying to live
Your dad actually built those.
Yeah, those
He
those
welded
things.
those together.
Those things running across, your dad made all of those. Nice. Yeah. We got Champ first,
Yeah,
guys.
Champ that
I almost
section.
forgot. What do you think, Lily?
It was so fun to see the girls working and doing their thing. They were so brave getting up into that scissor lift and going up and down and helping mom. It was absolutely incredible.
And controlling the scissor lift.
Yeah.
They got actually to control it, and they knew they was figuring out how to do it, which is very complicated.
Good job. Oh, yes.
There you guys go.
Not only conquering the bravery of going way up, but also, yeah, the technical part of things. That was pretty
Yeah.
cool.
Good job, guys. Thank you.
And it's just so fun seeing all the girls be so attentive to Jasper like all the time. They always want to hold him, always want to play with him. It's so fun.
Oh man, and he adores it too. He loves his cousins. It's so exciting. Maddie was out there. She was out there sweeping too, which was super cute. And Lily, she was sweeping too. Everybody was working so hard.
Stuff in it.
That was awesome, Lily.
They all had something fun that they were doing. It was an honor to work with them. Just want to really thank Garen and Ellie and the girls for coming out and helping us and making this happen. We actually went out and helped Garen and Ellie on their house as well. So if you missed that video, that's out right now. The link to that will be down in the description. If you didn't know too, you probably do, but just in case you don't, Garen and Ellie actually do have a channel and they have been posting on it weekly. So it's pretty cool what they're doing out there with just a lot of raw land.
It's a
that
lot.
They're out there. It's amazing. Thank you so much for being a part of our family, and we'll catch you next time. We got a really cool video coming also on the shop, so stay tuned for that.
Bye, guys. Thank you.
Large projects like this can feel daunting at times, but little by little they come together. When folks who love you show up to lend a hand, it gives us all an encouraging boost. We are so excited about our shop, and we look forward to sharing more progress with you soon.
Hi.
He's like, no. Oh, he wants to go to you.
Oh. Whoa.
Yeah.
Pass around.
Oh, going back, going back.
Okay. Oh, that's good.
He's like,
That's
no,
good.
I can.
Okay, okay.
Oh, okay,
I
good.
think he's learning.
He's
can pass.
learning. He can go places. If you enjoyed our video, consider liking and subscribing or following. If you really enjoyed it, share it with a friend and tag us on social media. Our links are down below. We want to give a special thank you to our Patreon and local supporters. You help keep our content coming. Before you go, drop a comment. We love to hear from you. Thanks, and God bless.
I will say he totally played me earlier. Yep, I was sitting there with him, and he started bawling. Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? And then I handed it to Bree. I handed him to Bree, and he had the biggest smirk on his face. He knew
We're like,
what
oh,
just happened.
played. We got played.